A year ago, truck drivers picking up a load of ethanol at Norfolk Southern's Thoroughbred Bulk Transfer facilities, or TBTs, routinely faced waits of more than an hour. Today, that wait has been cut in half, thanks to a new virtual ethanol inventory and delivery system developed by Norfolk Southern. The new system, the first of its kind among Class 1 railroads, combines ethanol shipments from multiple suppliers into a single shared inventory, a process called comingling. This allows truck drivers to transload ethanol from any rail car, rather than having to wait for rail cars shipped by a specific customer to arrive or to be spotted into place.
The huge advantage to this system is that we are pulling from one, what they call a virtual tank, which means all the product for all the customers is all blended together, and then it's distributed no matter what rail car it comes out of. It's all the same. The computer keeps track of which customer is being billed.
The high-tech software program electronically records the precise amount of ethanol pumped and shipped for each customer. The virtual inventory system is so accurate that the Petersburg TBT facility has won back the business of a major customer.
Well, commingling's been extremely helpful at both Petersburg and in Pineville. We are given credit in a virtual inventory for all of the product we've shipped in, whether it's in place or not. And then each of the stockholders at the terminal are able to pull their product out of any rail car. Since we're given the availability of the product as soon as it arrives, what's happened is it allows us to have a lower level of on-hand inventory at any time. It has sped up the process of emptying rail cars, and it reduces our costs because demurrage charges are reduced and track occupancy charges are reduced. We are bringing in a substantial number of cars in both markets, and we're happy to do so. It's obviously, if we have the efficiency of product and the ability to get our product when we need it, then it certainly saves money to bring it into a Petersburg or to a Pineville TBT.
More than 175 million gallons of ethanol has been transloaded at Norfolk Southern's TBTs in Petersburg and Alexandria, Virginia, Doraville, Georgia, and Charlotte, North Carolina since the system was implemented in October 2010. Norfolk Southern has been able to increase the efficiency and capacity of its facilities. For example, at Alexandria, the transload process dropped from an average of 90 minutes to just 30 minutes. And terminals that implemented the system saw their uploading capacity increase by 2,500 carloads annually.
We're talking about now maybe expanding the project to possibly do other commodities or to do other terminals that may be doing ethanol that are being managed by other companies, but getting that data into our databases so that we then can make one solid report for customers that displays everything that we're doing for that customer in one format so that they don't have to learn different formats from different vendors.
Customers can access real-time information on shipments through Norfolk Southern's electronic ethanol dashboard. The web-based program enables Norfolk Southern and its customers to track the amount of ethanol each customer has purchased and used, whether the rail cars at a TBT facility are full or empty, if shipments are in transit, and the number of truck drivers waiting for ethanol. In addition, the software can send automated alerts if inventory levels are low, and in some cases, assist with purchasing. Norfolk Southern's Mark Whittle designed and developed the software program.
The customers are absolutely thrilled. The terminal, the contractors we use at the terminals to do the work, they're thrilled with the system. I've yet to hear a bad word about it, which makes me happy. Evidently, I hit the mark.
In addition to reducing costs for customers, the innovative system is creating opportunities to expand Norfolk Southern's ethanol business. The railroad serves 22 ethanol production plants, last year moving 2.1 billion gallons, about 16% of total U.S. production, through a network of 75 terminals across Norfolk Southern's territory.
The ethanol commingling project is a great example of a real win-win for both Norfolk Southern as well as our customers. And it's certainly the first of its kind at Norfolk Southern. So we have leveraged our technology capabilities and view technology as another way for us to help improve the efficiency, deliver value into the market, and also to help overall Norfolk Southern's position.
Norfolk Southern plans to implement the virtual inventory system in Miami, Florida, Pottstown, Pennsylvania, and at new TBT facilities in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and Roanoke, Virginia, and will add wireless communications at all TBTs in 2012.
It makes me proud, though, that Norfolk Southern was willing, capable, and able to quickly step outside of the box, do something that wasn't the norm, that wasn't a direct transportation project, but had dramatic impacts on our transportation efficiency.
This innovative inventory system is a win for customers, drivers, the TBT facilities, and Norfolk Southern.
It's been great to be part of that development team, and I think that our customers recognize the dedication and the effort that we've made to try to help them be successful.